The 1930s. We think of the Great Depression, of hardship and struggle. But out of that trying time came an age of incredible craftsmanship, a golden era when things were built to last. Every fire truck from this decade wasn't just a machine. It was a handcrafted work of art, forged from brass, steel, and pure passion. And the amazing part, some of them are still alive and roaring today. So, get ready to travel back in time as we explore 10 extremely rare 1930s fire trucks that still run like new. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the 1930 Seagrave 6. Picture this. The economy's in a downturn, but fire departments still needed reliable equipment. Seagrave delivered. These trucks were built with one thing in mind: endurance. They featured a powerful 750-gallon per-minute pump and were adorned with solid brass fixtures that gleamed under the sun. They were so well made that even today, you can find these beautifully preserved models leading parades, their engines humming just as they did nearly a century ago. They are a rolling testament to an era that refused to compromise on quality, even in the toughest of times. At number 9, we have a true legend. The 1931 Mack Bulldog AC Fire Wagon. This truck didn't just get its nickname by chance. It earned it. The Bulldog engine was renowned across the country for its relentless reliability and brute strength. These trucks were so incredibly tough and dependable that many were still on the front lines, battling blazes well into the 1950s, long after they were expected to be retired. The Bulldog wasn't just a fire truck. It was a symbol of unyielding persistence. A mechanical hero that simply refused to quit. Cruising into our number 8 spot is the stunning 1932 American LaFrance 400 series. If you thought 1930s vehicles were all boxy and boring, think again. The 400 series was a vision of the future. It featured sleek, streamlined bodywork that looked like it was moving even when standing still, with its gleaming chromed handrails and a massive inline engine under the hood. This truck was the perfect marriage of speed and style. It wasn't just about getting to the fire, it was about arriving with authority and a touch of class. This machine proved that even emergency vehicles could be breathtakingly beautiful. Reaching for the sky at number 7 is the 1933 Persh City Service Ladder truck. In the world of aerial fire apparatus, Persh was a master. What made them truly special was their dedication to craftsmanship. They perfected the area ladder, hand-building them from high-quality ashwood. Think about that for a moment. Wooden ladders designed for the most extreme situations. These ladders were so impeccably constructed that many of them still operate flawlessly today, nearly 90 years later. It's a remarkable tribute to the skill and precision of the artisans who built them, a legacy that literally reaches new heights. Now, let's hop across the pond for number 6, the 1934 Dennis Big 4. While American trucks were often big and bold, the British had a different approach. The Dennis Big 4 was designed to be compact, powerful, and incredibly quick, making it perfect for navigating the narrower, winding streets of European cities. Don't let its smaller size fool you. This truck packed a serious punch and quickly became a staple for fire brigades throughout the continent. It represented a different philosophy of firefighting, designed GL, efficient, and perfectly suited to its environment. At the halfway point, number 5, we see a major shift in technology with the 1935 Majoris Deutz L65 from Germany. This truck was a true trailblazer. It was among the very first fire engines to be equipped with a diesel engine. In an era dominated by gasoline power, this was a revolutionary move. The diesel engine offered unparalleled efficiency and torque, setting a new standard that the rest of the industry would take decades to fully adopt. The Majoris Deutz wasn't just fighting fires. It was paving the way for the future of heavy-duty vehicle engineering. Rolling in at number 4 is a shining example of American fire apparatus artistry. The Sankyu Heksanju Roka Aaron's Fox VC. This truck represents the last glorious chapter of the polished chrome era. Aaron's Fox was famous for its distinctive trademark spherical pump housing, a glistening chrome orb mounted proudly at the front of the truck. It was a symbol of both power and elegance. Seeing one of these beauties in person is like looking at a piece of rolling sculpture. It is a magnificent reminder of a time when mechanical function and visual beauty were one and the same. Prepare to be surprised by our number 3 entry, the 1937 Seagrave V-12 convertible hose car. Yes, You heard that right, a convertible fire truck. While it might seem like a novelty, it had a purpose. These unique vehicles were often used for leading parades and for high-speed runs to smaller incidents. Powered by a smooth and powerful V12 engine, this hose car proved that style never had to take a back seat, not even in an emergency. It's a fun and fascinating piece of firefighting history, showing that even the most serious of professions had room for a little flair. Nearing the top of our list at number 2 is the formidable 1938 Mack Type 17. As the decade progressed, safety became an even bigger priority. This truck featured Mack's new safety cab design, which offered better protection for the crew. But its most impressive feature was the massive 100-foot all-steel aerial ladder, a true feat of engineering for the time. This truck combined Mack's legendary toughness with modern innovations. It's no surprise that many of these workhorses are still in working order today, a testament to their robust and forward-thinking design. And finally, our number 1, most incredible 1930s fire truck that still works today is the 1939 American LaFrance 500 series as the last major innovation before the world went to war. The 500 series was the culmination of a decade's worth of progress. It introduced crucial advancements like hydraulic brakes for better stopping power, improved pump efficiency, and smooth, integrated bodywork that hinted at the modern designs of the 1940s. The 500 series was the bridge between the classic, ornate engines of the past and the streamlined, functional trucks of the future. It set the stage for the next generation of firefighting apparatus. From the gleaming brass of a Seagrave to the raw power of a Mack Bulldog, these trucks are so much more than old vehicles. They are roaring relics, living monuments to an era of unparalleled craftsmanship. 9 decades later, their engines still turn, their pumps still work, and their presence still commands respect. They remind us that true engineering, born from passion and dedication, never truly dies. Thanks for joining us on this journey back in time. If you love seeing these incredible machines, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next adventure into history. See you in the next video!